Do you find reggae drumming confusing? If so, I can relate. I used to be very overwhelmed, not just at reggae, but all the Caribbean rhythms I was asked to play on the drum set. Today I'm going to show you a simple way of playing and understanding reggae on the drums. By the way, if you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer. I'm also a private teacher who's helped many students master the art of drumming, including my student Joel McCoy, who became a professional player and now plays in Nashville. Okay, I'm going to keep this very simple and straightforward today. Most of the time when people talk about a reggae drum beat, they're usually referring to the most common type of reggae beat called one drop. It's called one drop because unlike other drum beats like rock, you're actually going to leave out the bass drum on one. You emphasize beats 2 and 4 or beats 3, depending on how you think of it, with a heavy bass drum. It sounds basically the same either way. It's really just two ways of writing the same beat. The bass drum and cross stick are often played together, which some call the despair, although you don't necessarily have to do that all the time. You can also improvise some with the left hand as long as you maintain the accent on the bass drum. Here's the first example with eighth notes on the hi-hat and cross stick in unison with the bass drum. By the way, I've also got a list of 10 drum beats that all drummers need to know available for free. It also includes an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. Okay, so the last example demonstrated eighth notes. You can also play 16th notes on the hi-hat. And by the way, it's also common to accent the upbeats on the hi-hat. So that's another thing that's good to be able to do, though you don't have to do that necessarily all the time. In this example, I am going to emphasize the upbeats while I'm playing 16ths. As long as you maintain this basic idea, there are other variations possible as well. For instance, you can also open the hi-hat on the upbeats like this. Or you might want to play the offbeats on the bell of the ride cymbal. Once you have this basic beat down, try playing along with Stir It Up by Bob Marley. Okay, so all these examples use straight eighths or straight 16th notes, a very even feel. The other thing you need to be able to do is swing the eighths or 16ths similar to jazz or shuffles. Here's a basic example. If you play it with an accent on the upbeats, by the way, that's also the basic ska beat. That works okay for very slow tempos. If you want to play faster, you can leave out some of the right-hand notes on the hi-hat. So once you have this type of a beat down, try playing along with Love is the Seventh Wave by Sting. You might want to use the YouTube controls to slow this song down because it's kind of fast. That's Omar Hakim playing on that track, and it's a great example of a reggae beat that's more of a shuffle or swing type beat. So these are the basics. Other reggae songs to check out include Three Little Birds and I Shot the Sheriff by Bob Marley. A one-drop reggae beat was also used in Spirit of Radio by Rush if you listen to a little bit later part of the song. As I mentioned earlier, I've also got that list of 10 beats that all drummers should know with the free video demonstrating all the beats. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. Please comment below and tell me your favorite reggae song. Or if you want to just comment helpful, that would also be really awesome. My personal favorite is Stir It Up by Bob Marley. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have a whole playlist about Latin and Caribbean rhythms that I know will also really help you. Please watch those videos next, and we'll see you next time.